Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, Islam expects every Muslim to do their duty, and if we realize our responsibility, time will come soon when we shall justify ourselves worthy of a glorious past. No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. We are victims of evil customs. It is a crime against humanity that our women are shut up within the four walls of the houses as prisoners. There is no sanction on anywhere for the deplorable condition in which our women have to live. About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.